that might be big.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am out on the kayak again looking for snakeheads. So haven't been out on the kayak in a few months now, but have only a couple hours left in today. But fished the other day at night, and the snakes were really hitting right before dark. So I'm actually gonna be using something I haven't used in a long time, which is the ribbit frog. And actually this is the bull ribbit, so it's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna be throwing this on some 5/0 hooks. So stay tuned and hopefully we can get a giant. Nice. All right. Forgot my net today, so. All right, buddy. All right, so first one of the day, tiny, but we'll definitely size up. So let's get this guy in. Here's the bull ribbit. You can see it's bigger than the other ribbit frogs, but basically I'm rigging it the same way, up through the top, down around the side, and then through just like that. Basically a Texas rig. And again, if I want to make this weedless, pull this a little bit like that, and we're ready to go. I know once it gets cold it gets a little bit harder with the top water bite. There's a couple other methods you could use to get probably more strikes, but hasn't been crazy cold out here yet, so I'm gonna keep going with the top water for now, but probably have to switch over at some point.
Oh, that might be big.
Oh my God. Let's go. Oh, I can't even pull him. Oh my God. This thing's going nuts. Oh, I think he's okay. All right, I don't have my net today. All right. He's got me all wrapped. Not a bad one. Hit right in front of the boat. All right. Oh. All right, this is what we're looking for. It's like a 3-4 pounder, 3.5. He hit that thing like a train right in front of me. So I'm gonna get this guy back in and then get some more. Nice. I know there's bigger ones in here. Oh. Strong release. Let's go. It's always so crazy when they hit at the boat like that. That was like right in front of my face. So much different than when you're like on land or something. All right, buddy. Little largemouth. Not really what I'm looking for, but can't complain about a largemouth. Oh, something's on this. Little snake. Wow. Well, get him back in. All right, little guy. When I'm kayak fishing for these snakes, I'm pretty much just going as slow and quiet as I can. Trying to cast basically everywhere, trying not to miss any good spots. And with this buzz frog, I'm pretty much just casting as far as I can and just doing a steady retrieve back in. So usually gets the job done. Probably gonna cast this canal one more time and head back to the truck. Oh man, I keep spooking things off. You can see these bubbles. It's definitely could be a turtle, but definitely could be a snakehead as well. All right, so I just made it back to the truck. I haven't used that ribbit frog in a really long time, but I mean, super effective. That bigger frog, I mean, I didn't have any problems with hookups. Cast a lot further with it and a little bit better action too. So might start using that the bull ribbit instead of the normal size. Overall, good day on the water. I'm probably gonna post this video even though I didn't catch a ton of fish. I was only out there for 2 hours, and you obviously can't catch giants every time you go out, but was able to land a few fish, which is always great. Any day on the water to me is better than being at home. So thanks for watching this video. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.